Hello friends, welcome to Geeky Rabbit. In the last session we saw that how to record a script using the Firefox proxy, and now in this session we'll be seeing the other way. So that is by using a plugin called as Blazemeter. So we can also record the script using the Blazemeter plugin, which is provided by the Blazemeter community. So to see what is the Blazemeter plugin, just go to your Chrome browser first. So we'll record exactly the same scenario which we did in our earlier script. And now I have already installed the Blazemeter plugin, but if you want to install it, just go to your Chrome web store, and once you are there, just click find for Blazemeter. So in here, just type in as Blazemeter and click enter. So it will bring the Blazemeter plugin, and if you have not installed it, just install it once. So this is the plugin, Blazemeter, the continuous testing platform. So as I have already installed it, I have not seen an option to install it. Otherwise, there will be an option to add to Chrome. So just click on it and it will be added as this. So for now, just open the Blazemeter plugin. So this will ask you to sign in. So as I've already signed in, so there will be an option to log in. Just click on login and enter your email ID and password, and it will take you to the screen. So now using this is pretty much simple. So now if you want to record a scenario, just type in the scenario name. So I will write test script record Blazemeter. So I will give him the name. And there are some advanced options that we can specify here. So in which browser you want to record the scenario, you can select it from here. So for now, let's keep it as current browser, as we will be recording the same scenario. Then what are the filter pattern that needs to be included in your JMeter script? You can specify in here, that is the HTTP and HTTPS. So a site which is having HTTPS or HTTP, both will be recorded. Then said there are some default options which say like disable browser cache, record Ajax request, randomize recorded thing times, and many others. So for now we'll not change this, and we'll go ahead with what we are having. So just minimize this and click on start recording. So as soon as you click on start recording, just hit this site once. And now just do the same thing which we did earlier. So just click on any of the departure and destination city and click on find flights. Now this time choose an United Airlines flight and go to the purchase page and just fill in this detail. You can do it anything, so that's not a mandatory thing in here, as it is a demo website. And let's keep this as Paul this time. Click on remember me. This is an extra option that we didn't check in last time, and click on purchase flight. Now as you are on a thank you the confirmation page, your scenario has been recorded. And now go to this plugin and just click on this stop recording. So once you click on this stop recording, it will stop the recordings, and you can see there are some different options right now which you can see, that is run, edit, and save. So you can run the script again. If you want to edit it, you can edit by using this option. But what we are more interested is in saving this particular test script, as we can use it in our JMeter console later. So just click it on save, and it will ask us what scripts we need to save. So do we need to check in for JMeter only, or Selenium only, or a mix of those? So for now we'll go only for JMeter. So we are interested only in the JMX file. So, and also it will ask you what domains to include in a JMeter script. So the domain which we were doing a scenario is the Blaze demo. So we will be including only that one. So just click on JMeter and this one and click on save. So as soon as you click on this, it will start exporting the JMX file which you can use in your JMeter console. And you can see a test script record, the same name what you are given, that has been downloaded. So once that is done, just go to your JMeter console and try to open that file, and we'll see what Blazemeter has recorded for us. So just go in here. So it will be somewhere in our downloads. This is the file, test script record Blazemeter. Just click on it and click on open. So now you can see Blazemeter has systematically recorded the script for us, and whatever the script which we had recorded earlier, you can see the landing page in here. Then we have the reserve page, then we have the purchase page and the confirmation page in here. So these 4 pages we had also recorded when we recorded the script using the Firefox browser. But now you will be seeing that Blazemeter has already made some changes to this script, and this it has parameterized the base URL, and there will be several changes that will be done by Blazemeter site for ourselves. You can see it has added the HTTP header manager, request default, cookie manager, and the cache manager, which we had later, which we would had later added in our scenario. So now the script is ready, and the only thing that we need to do is to just increase the thread group. So this time we'll make it as 3, and we have to add a listener to check in our results. So we'll go with the same listener, view results tree, and we'll try running this script for us. So just click on this start button to check if the script runs. Now you can see all the requests will be hit 3 times as we have selected 3 users. So the blazedemo.com, it got hit 3 times, and then the reserve, PHP, then the purchase, and then the confirmation. If we go and if we see in the response code, it will be 200, and we'll be getting the particular response data. So now it's already done with 3 requests, and it is going on with the 4th one. So in here also you can see what the request went in, what response data we got. So if you see, this is the request which went in with the from port as whatever city we have selected, and in reserve, in purchase, we will see what is the flight that we selected. So we had selected United Airlines, so the request went in for United Airlines. And on the confirmation page, we will see the response data. So if we make it as browser, I guess we will be able to see. But as it will be heavy, it will take some time to load. So as you can see, the confirmation request has also been hit 3 times, and you can see the same response what we got today in our browser. Sorry. So we have got thank you for your purchase today, and the same response has been recorded in our JMeter script. So in this way, we have recorded a script successfully using the Blazemeter plugin, and that's all for today. So with this, we come to an end of this video in this series, which was on recording the script using Blazemeter plugin. In the next lecture, we will see a few things about the HTTP cookie manager. Also, do post your questions and queries or any suggestion in the comment section regarding this video. See you soon with more JMeter related content. Until then, have a great time. Thank you.